Brothers and sisters in Ska, shout out to all Ska apostles. Shout out to all Ska pentocrats, Ska aristocrats, and Ska apprentices. Sorry, I haven't done this. I haven't greeted the brothers in 2 years. Put your hand up for this wonderful country of ours. I want to give a shout out to all the Ska apostles in British Columbia, those in Scanatoba, Scalberta, Saskatchewan, Scantario, Quebec, and all the maritime provinces, New Brunswick, PEI, Nova Scotia. Can I get the Scalidoo? Scabby praise. Now, if you're blue and got the flu, and nothing else will comfort you, scantibiotics and scantidotes, we have the Ska to clear your throat. Scaliloo, Scabby praise. You looking fine? I see some of you wearing your Dolce and Gabbana. Madam, is that purse of Versace? Truly wonderful. At this time, I'd like you to turn your hymn book to number 96. From the archives of inspiration, we're going way back. Sister Sonia will take you there. Hallelujah.
Daylight coming, they won't go. Are you ready?
Yeah.